Batter measurement. All right, so this is the part 3 of our batter measurement, and in fact a lot of people have asked me questions to know the amount of batter that need to be in these sizes of pan, and I'm here to answer that question immediately. Now let me say this: the size of your pan, that is the depth of your pan, determines the amount of batter you are going to put. So you need to have that at the back of your brain now, so that if you are going into this class, you are going to understand. But this is because we have different depths of pan. If you look at these two pan now, they are not of the same size. They are not of the same depth. They are of the same size, but not of the same depth. So they are 8 inches pan, but this one is actually deeper, while this one is more shallow. Now let's get into the class. I want to establish some facts before we go into the class. So one of the things that you understand, these things that I've written here is what I've tested and it has worked for me. And then another person can also test and get another different result. So this is not a universal, but it is my own style. All right. So please, if you are not following me right now, it's time for you to actually follow me, because I need your followers. I need you to encourage me by your follow, by your comments, and also share and repost this video. Please, it is very important. Let's go into the class right now. Now, after decorating your cake, that is expected height that it shows that your cake should get. That standard height is what we call 4 to 5 inches. After frosting your cake, if you didn't get up to 4 to 5 inches, it means that you did either under or over. So what you have to do right now is to understand, pay very good attention, and get your pen so that we go into the class right now. So for a pan that the depth is 3 inches to 4 inches, this is the batter measurement. For 6 inches, we are going to use 800 gram to 1 kg. But see what I did? Remember, round pan, this kind of pan takes lesser batter than square pan. I don't know if you have been able to understand or to realize or to see that round pan takes smaller quantity of batter when you are working with the same size of square pan. So that is why I am now telling you that if you are working with a round pan, if you put 800 grams there, it is going to be very okay. So far you are working in a regulated recipe. Now, or you are working with my recipe, and that is why I have all these classes available. You want your cakes class, I have it available. So you're working with my cake recipes, it will be easy, so that when you are doing your costing, it will be very easy for you to actually achieve, know that this thing is what you are getting, so that if anything happens, you want to leave your business and travel, you can easily measure out these portions, give to anybody that you want to stand in for you, and when you come back, account will be easy for you. It reduces these steps and the rest of them in business. It also shows that your business can actually scale. It is a scalable business when you can standardize all these things. It is another good reason why you should learn all these things. So don't say that it's not necessary, it's not important, or you should also continue doing your guest work. In fact, once somebody actually commented that you'll be guessing. So it is not your problem. You can also continue guessing, but it shows that you are not dreaming for your business to be what? Scalable. It means you want to be running your business at all time. The next thing is 7 inches. When you are working with 7 inches, we expect you to put 1.1 kg in your 7 inches. These are 7 inches. 1.1 kg of batter is okay here. It can give you this to 1.5 kg if you are working with what? Square pan. Then if you're working with 8 inches, this is this guy, you can put 1.5 to 1.9 gram. It's okay. Then if you're working with 9 inches, this is how it goes till 10 inches and the rest of them. Then if your pan happens to be the smaller size of pan that has just 2 inches depth to 2.5 inches depth, see what you are going to use. You are going to use this guy, which is 600 gram. You're going to use 850 grams for 7 inches. You're going to use 1.1 for 8 inches. You're going to use 1.5 for 9 inches. If you do this, it is going to help you regulate and also cost your cake effectively. If you want to join my costing class or any of my cake class, it is so much available. All the classes are live on TikTok, on Telegram. I've recorded them and it is on Telegram. So if you want to join any of them, send me a DM right now or use the link on my bio to pay for it ASAP. In fact, in the next episode, I am going to teach you how to know the exact amount that 250 gram of flour, 50 gram of flour or 500 gram of flour can give you, so that you can be able to have the accurate or relate the number or the measurement that these grams of flour can give you after making your cake. Take for instance, if somebody say, okay, I want you to do 2 layers of 6 inches cake for me, how many gram of cake are you going to mix, so that you can be able to get that without actually gaining or without actually losing what? That is the question I'm going to ask you. If you know the question, the class is not for you. But if you don't know, the class is coming up. So comment Oliko the Billionaire on the comment section. If you learned anything from this video, make sure you tell me thank you the Billionaire on this comment section. Repost this video. Do not watch my video and learn something and you don't repost it. Don't try it. Don't try me. Thank you and God bless you.